What's going on, y'all? Hey, my name's Tim. Done some looking on YouTube and I couldn't find anything on how to replace the wiper switch on a 65 Mustang. Read a few forums and I figured out how to do it, so hopefully that's what I'm gonna help you with a little bit. Sorry about the camera and stuff. It's nighttime out here, but anyway, if that is what you were trying to figure out how to replace, I'm gonna help you out a little bit. First thing you're gonna need is you're gonna need a 1/16 Allen head wrench, and there is an Allen head screw right there. You're gonna unscrew that. As soon as you get that undone, I've already done it, but as soon as you get that undone, the knob will come off, and if you look, you will see slots in there. Now, if you use a pair of ring pliers, or you can use a pair of needle nose, or you can use a couple of small Phillips head screwdrivers or whatever. Anyway, you need something to get in on this side and this side, and you're going to want to unscrew that. You see that one right there is pretty loose, so we're going to reach over here and see if we can, just by luck, sorry about the camera being shaky. I'm trying to do this with one hand and hold my phone at the same time, but basically, from what I understand, it's the same thing as like almost like your light switch. But you're gonna unscrew it and then finally see, yeah, we're making some progress here. But all right, and then this is going to come off. And then from here, you will be able to get up underneath the dash and wiggle your switch around and get your switch out. Hope that's helped y'all a little bit.